If you have been learning English for a long time and many years, and still you're not able to speak English clearly, I promise you, here is your best place to learn English for a few months. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your close friends and family who learning English. And you yourself watch the video till the end to speak English just like native.
Top 5 English Podcast.
YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to Top 5 English Podcast. I'm Boss.
And I'm Bella, and we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, we are excited to talk about a super interesting topic, a topic that many people ask us about.
That's right, boss. Today, we're going to talk about something that can help you so much with your English. We're going to talk about how to think in English.
Ooh, thinking in English. It sounds big, but it's really fun and easy to start.
Exactly. Before we start, please remember to share this podcast with your friends. Tell everyone about Top 5 English Podcast.
Yes, share, subscribe to our channel, and give us a big like. It helps us a lot. A big like.
Thank you so much. Let's begin, boss. Thinking in English, what is the first step?
The first step, Bella, is very important. It's about stopping something we all do a lot. It's about stopping translating in your head.
Oh, yes, this is a big one. So many people translate every word from their language to English in their head.
Exactly. When you hear apple, do you think of the fruit directly?
For many, they might think of the word in their language first, but the idea is to see the apple and think, apple.
Yes, when you stop translating, your brain starts connecting the English word directly to the object or idea. It's like, boom, direct connection.
That makes sense. It's like when babies learn. They don't translate. They just learn the word for the thing.
Good point, Bella. Babies learn milk and they think of milk. Our goal is to be like those smart babies.
I like that. Be like a smart baby. So stop translating. Just try to see the English word and the meaning.
Yes, it takes practice, but it's the first big step to thinking in English easily. Don't worry if it's hard at first, just try.
Okay, great tip, boss. What's next? What's next after we try to stop translating?
The next step is super fun. It's about making English part of your daily life. It's about surrounding yourself with English.
Ooh, I love this. Like making an English bubble around you?
Yes, exactly. Imagine you are in an English bubble. Everything around you is English.
How can we do that, boss? For a beginner, it might seem difficult.
No, it's easy. You can change your phone language to English.
Oh, good idea. Small changes make a big difference.
Yes, and listen to English music. Try to find English songs you like. You don't need to understand every word, just listen to the sound.
I do that. I love listening to English music. Sometimes I sing along even if I don't know all the words.
That's great, Bella. And you can watch English movies or TV shows with English subtitles, or even with no subtitles if you feel brave.
Or start with subtitles in your language and then change to English subtitles when you feel more comfortable.
Perfect. The idea is to make English a normal part of your day so your ears and your brain hear English all the time.
So our brains get used to the sounds and the rhythm of English, like a lullaby for our brains.
Exactly. The more you hear it, the more natural it feels, and the easier it is to think in English. So surround yourself with English.
Great advice. Okay, so we're trying to stop translating and we're surrounding ourselves with English. What's the next tip for thinking in English, boss?
The next tip is about starting small. Don't try to think big, complicated thoughts in English right away. It's about starting small, simple thoughts first.
Ah, this is important. Sometimes we want to do everything perfectly from the start.
Yes, but for thinking in English, it's better to start with very simple things like, this is a pen, or the sky is blue.
Simple observations like, my coffee is hot, or I am happy.
Yes, exactly. Just simple, everyday thoughts. When you wake up, think, good morning. When you see your bed, think, this is my bed.
And if you see a cat?
Think, it's a cat. That's the idea. Just little, short, simple thoughts. Don't try to write a novel in your head in English on day one.
No novels on day one. So, for example, if I'm walking, I can think, I am walking. The sun is shining.
Perfect. You are thinking in English with simple thoughts. This builds confidence. It shows your brain, hey, I can do this.
It's like exercising. You start with small weights, not very heavy ones.
Excellent analogy, Bella. Small thoughts, small steps, big progress. So start small, simple thoughts first.
Awesome. What's next for our Thinking in English journey?
Our next tip is super visual. It's about practicing daily visualization.
Visualization? Like seeing things in your mind?
Yes, exactly. When you think of apple, don't just think the word. Picture an apple, a red apple or a green apple.
Oh, I get it. So if I think dog, I don't just say dog in my head. I imagine a dog running, wagging its tail.
Yes, that's it. The more you connect the English word to an image in your mind, the stronger the connection becomes.
So it's not just words, it's images and feelings too.
Precisely. If you think happy, imagine yourself smiling, feeling good. If you think hungry, imagine your stomach rumbling a little.
Oh, that's so clever. It makes it more real, doesn't it?
Yes, it makes the English words have a real meaning for you, not just a translation. So when you think rain, think of water falling from the sky.
This is great for beginners. It helps build that direct connection.
Absolutely. So practice daily visualization. See the English words and see the pictures in your mind.
Okay, moving on. What's the next step after visualization?
Our next tip is about talking to yourself, but in a good way. It's about using inner dialogue in English.
Inner dialogue, like talking inside my head?
Yes, you are always thinking, right? Your brain is always talking to itself. So try to make that talk English.
So instead of thinking, what should I cook for dinner in my first language, I try to think, what should I cook for dinner in English?
Exactly. It doesn't have to be perfect sentences. Just try. If you're walking to the kitchen, think, I am going to the kitchen.
And if I see something messy, I can think, oh, it's messy.
Perfect. Or if you need to remember something, say it to yourself in English in your head. I need to buy milk.
This sounds like a private practice. No one knows I'm doing it.
Yes, it's your secret English practice. You can do it anywhere, anytime, in the car, in the shower, walking.
Even when I'm pretending to listen to boss, I can be having an inner dialogue in English.
Oh, Bella. But yes, this helps your brain to become comfortable with forming sentences in English, even if they're just in your head.
It's like training your brain to switch to English mode.
Yes, it's exercising your English muscles in your brain. So use inner dialogue in English. Try it today.
Okay, the next tip is super practical and easy to start right now. It's about labeling everyday objects mentally.
Oh, I like this. Like putting a mental label on things.
Yes, look around you right now. What do you see? A chair? A table? A window?
Yes, I see my microphone.
So when you see your microphone, think microphone. Just microphone.
And if I see my water bottle, I think water bottle.
Exactly. Do this throughout your day. When you open the fridge, think fridge, milk, eggs.
So as I go about my day, I just mentally name everything in English, like a narrator for my own life.
Yes, you are your own English narrator. This helps you to build vocabulary naturally and to connect the English word directly to the object.
It's like building a mental dictionary, but with real objects.
That's a great way to put it, boss. And you can do this for actions too. When you are eating, think eating. When you are drinking, think drinking.
So it's not just objects, but verbs too. This is so helpful.
Yes, the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. And soon, you won't even try. It will just happen.
Wow, that's the goal. So label everyday objects mentally.
Great tip. What's our next one, boss?
Our next tip is about keeping things simple, especially with your thoughts. It's about thinking in short sentences.
Ah, similar to starting small, but now specifically about sentences.
Yes, don't try to make long, complex sentences in your head. Start with just 2 or 3 words, like beautiful day or I'm hungry.
Exactly. If you see a flower, just think nice flower or red flower.
So if I'm at the store, I can think buy bread, need milk, go home.
Perfect. You are thinking in English, and it's not stressful because the sentences are short and easy.
This avoids the pressure of trying to form perfect grammar in my head. Yes, the goal is to start thinking in English, not to write a perfect essay in your head. The grammar will come later as you practice more.
So simple, short bursts of English thoughts.
That's the idea. Short sentences build a strong foundation, like building with small bricks. They are easier to manage.
I love that. Small bricks for a big English house. So think in short sentences. What's the next tip, boss?
Our next tip is about preparing for real conversations. It's about imagining conversations in English.
Ooh, this sounds like role-playing in your head.
Yes, exactly. Imagine you are meeting a new person. What would you say? Hello, my name is, how are you?
And then imagine their answer. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Perfect. Or imagine you are ordering coffee. Can I have a coffee, please, with milk?
This is great for practicing common phrases and questions.
Yes, and you can imagine different situations. Imagine you are talking about your day. Today was busy. I went to work.
So we're practicing talking without actually talking out loud, which can be less intimidating for beginners.
Absolutely. It builds confidence. When you do have a real conversation, your brain has already practiced some of the phrases.
It's like a mental rehearsal.
Yes, a mental rehearsal for real-life English. You can do this before important meetings or just for fun when you are bored.
This is so smart. So thinking conversations in English. What's our second to last tip, boss?
Our second to last tip is about putting your thoughts into words on paper. It's about keeping an English journal.
Ooh, writing. This is a classic method, but so effective.
Yes, you don't need to write a lot, just a few sentences every day.
So at the end of the day, I can write, today was good, I ate pasta, I saw a friend.
Exactly. Or, I am tired. I am happy. Just simple thoughts about your day, your feelings.
And if I don't know a word, I can look it up.
Yes, that's part of the learning. Looking up words helps you remember them, and writing them down helps even more.
So it's not just thinking, it's also actively producing English?
Precisely. It helps you to organize your thoughts in English, and you can look back and see your progress.
Wow, I can write more now.
This is a wonderful way to see how much you're improving.
Yes. So get a little notebook or use your phone. Keep an English journal. Write every day.
Great advice. Okay, Bella, what's our last tip for thinking in English easily?
Our final tip, boss, is very important for all of these steps. It's about trusting your instincts. Avoid overthinking.
Oh, this is so true. Sometimes we think too much and then we get stuck.
Yes, when you are trying to think in English, don't worry about perfection. Don't try to make every sentence perfect.
So if I think, I go store, instead of, I'm going to the store, that's okay?
Yes, it's more than okay. The important thing is that you are thinking in English. The small errors will fix themselves with more practice.
It's like when we were babies again. We didn't speak perfectly at first.
That's right. When a baby says, "Me hungry," you understand, and your brain understands too.
So just let the thoughts flow in English, even if they're not perfect?
Yes, don't stop your thoughts to check grammar. Just let them come. Trust your brain. It learns by doing.
This takes away the pressure. It makes thinking in English feel easy and fun.
Exactly. So trust your instincts. Don't overthink it. Just let the English flow in your mind.
Wow, Bella, these tips are amazing. So helpful for beginners.
I think so too, boss. We covered so many good ideas today. We talked about stopping translating in your head, surrounding yourself with English, and starting small with simple thoughts.
Yes, and practicing daily visualization, using inner dialogue, and labeling everyday objects mentally.
Plus, thinking in short sentences, imagining conversations, keeping an English journal, and trusting your instincts by avoiding overthinking.
Whew, that's a lot of great tips. We hope you all try them.
Yes, and remember, practice makes perfect. Or in this case, practice makes thinking in English easy.
Oh, good one, Bella. Thank you all so much for listening today. We really appreciate you joining us to Top 5 English Podcast.
Please, if you enjoyed this episode, share it with your friends, give us a big like, and subscribe to our channel.
And we would love to hear from you. What is your favorite tip for thinking in English? Or what is one new thing you will try after listening to this podcast? Let us know in the comments below.
Yes, tell us in the comments. We'd love reading your messages.
Thank you again, everyone. And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye.